In this video, we will take a quick look at how to use the Easel software with the Center's Carvey machine. In order to run a carving project on the Carvey, you'll need to create an account with Easel. If you don't have an existing pattern you'd like to carve, Easel comes with some tools for creating your own. You can make simple shapes like circles and squares, and scale and position them to your liking. It's also very easy to scale the depth of the cut you'd like to make in the wood by adjusting the depth slider. Be mindful of the thickness of the piece of wood you're using so that you don't cut too much or too little from your piece. Easel also allows you to write text in a small selection of fonts. If you need fonts outside of the ones provided, you'll need to create your designs in a third-party software and import it, or get a pro subscription for Easel. Easel also includes a pen tool for creating custom shapes. The pen tool has several settings. You can fill in your shapes so that the entire area will be carved out. You can set the depth of the cut just as with the basic shapes. You can also tell it to cut inside, outside, and directly along the path you've created. Easel also comes with a number of pre-built icons that you can include in your design. In most cases, though, you'll probably have your own design that you'll want to import into the project. Easel can take two different kinds of design files, SVGs or G-codes. Vector art software like Adobe Illustrator and Inkscape can easily export SVGs that can be read by Easel. You may find sometimes with complex images that Easel does not properly preview the entire image. Don't worry, this will not affect your final cut. Once you're done with your design, you're ready to carve. It will be important to set the type of material that you're carving, as well as the dimensions for it. Be sure to set your drill bit and easel to what you've attached to the Carvey machine. When you're ready and the machine has been properly set up, click Carve to send your design to the Carvey.